Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily install Pinterest on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is actually click on the link down below in the description. It's going to be the first link, and you will get right here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing platform that is going to help you install and play games and also applications. So you want to click here, download Ldplayer. Now I created the whole tutorial on how you can actually install Ldplayer. So you're going to choose the download Ldplayer. And here you're going to choose where you want to actually install it. And when you're going to have it, you want to install it, and then you're going to end up right here in the Google Play. So right here in the Play Store, you just want to, when you're going to connect your Play Store, Pinterest, and then install. Okay, and now when you got it, and when you have the Pinterest here, you want to open it. And now you have to sign with the Google, Facebook, or whatever. So let's say I'm going to continue with Facebook. Oh, I would have to download it, all right. So let's say I'm going to restart it. And you can easily connect with Gmail here. So I'm going to show that I'm going to connect with the Gmail. But if you already have an account, you can easily log in. Okay, give me a second. Here it is. So I will add age. And it's working for you as it should. So here you're gonna have it. And that's how you're gonna do it. So that's how you can easily download Pinterest on your PC. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.